Hi, my heroes. Today I come with another topic, that is yoga and Agori. But these two are very contradictory to each other in our minds. Now I will clarify both one by one. That is, Agori follows left hand path, and other alternate thing that people follow is yoga and meditation. Left hand path always indicates darkness, like negative things, but in the other hand, that is right hand, that follows like yoga, meditation and positive side, but they both will reach to the ultimate goal is same. That is what the final outcome. But in right hand path it will take time too much, but it will give stable and consistency growth. But when it comes to left hand path, that yoga that is Agori follows is very quick and very intense, in a very hard way to do it. That is yogis way, not yogis way, it is a Agori way. Now how they prepare, that means I will not go in details completely, but I will give the brief idea about the Agori. Then we will come and see other aspects of yoga and meditation. See, first Agori what will do is he want to explore his experience with negative things, like he smoke, and he will explore sexual aspects, and he will do other tantra techniques which are very hard and dangerous to their life also. Sometimes it takes beyond their life. Now they prepare themselves in Shamshan ghats that we call in India. Now they eat human body also, but not every day and every time, but they took a piece of meat from the human body, that is dead body, and they will eat. And if they alive after eating this one, then they will be passed in one exam. Like that they do test themselves. Another thing is they took ganja and smoke and everything. This techniques and all these things, they want to experiment with these things, and they have to become stable even after they took these substances. That is why they took, and after taking that also, if they have awareness, then they have achieved the goal. This is one way of doing, that is Shiva's way. Shiva also in one form, he experienced all these things, one aspect. And another aspect is yoga. Yoga and meditation is completely in a slowly and consistent way of growing towards liberty. The both are doing, and to achieve the goal of freedom from our life, not only this life, after we gone from this body also, they try to leave this cycle of human being, or not only human being, it's a life. So that's why they experiment this one, and they want to achieve. They don't want to take small steps. They want to jump like directly and come out of their birth and death cycles. So they took the decision, and they have done all these things, but they prefer in the night times mostly to prepare themselves. That is the feasible time for yogis to prepare themselves and get more benefit from the nature. So that is why they prepare in the nights after taking
So yoga and meditation is a positive side, like light, and negative side is left hand path is always agora. But agora meaning is, the meaning of agora means, gora means it's a dangerous. Gora means it's a very hard word for gora. Gora means terrible. Agora means which is not terrible. That is the meaning of agora actually. But people afraid of agori when we see the person, because it looks very different way of living. So that's why we don't understand what they will do, and what they are going to do, and they will do their practice out of the villages, out of the cities, because when the people see those kind of practices, people are afraid. So that's why they don't want to enter into the city or villages. So they go outside of city, they practice. This is a way of Agori life. But how it is related to the yoga and all these things, the final thing is they want to achieve freedom from life and death. So as the same, yoga and meditation is also one way. It gives liberation from our lives cycles. So the conclusion is, Agori is not a dangerous in what we think of. So thank you very much. I hope you understand what Agori means. Then I will come up with another video. Love you all.